One of the most common and popular fruit we know is banana. So today we'll discuss about the health benefits of bananas. Bananas contain three types of natural sugars: glucose, sucrose, and fructose. It is an ideal snack for breakfast for children, for athletes, for to be energetic, as it is an instant source of energy. It is fat free, and it also recommended for growing individuals, for growing young children. It is an ideal power packed breakfast. And for coming to the this diabetic part, patients mostly ask like whether they can consume banana or not. So it depends, like due to its higher calorie content, most of the time we patients are advised not to include banana in the diet. But if your sugar levels are controlled, and if you are maintaining your weight, if your sugar levels are controlled, so eating a banana occasionally will not cause much harm on your blood sugar levels. And due to its moderate glycemic index, consuming a banana does not even gradually does not instantly increases your sugar levels. So the effect of this fruit is gradually on your sugar levels. So if you are having it when your sugar levels are at normal levels, and when your weight is maintained, it will not cause much effect. And it is also a good source of calcium. It also helps for improvement, for it is also a good source of iron to improve your red blood cells count in the body. And bananas or provide satiety, helps to fight against digestive problems. If you are having acid reflux, heartburn problem, or acidity problem, so consuming a banana helps to reduce that naturally, because bananas are a good source of insoluble fiber, which will help to fight against gastrointestinal diseases and problems related to intestinal tract and inflammatory bowel diseases. So if you are looking for a natural source of fruits to fight against constipation, to fight against your gastrointestinal tract problems, then bananas are much recommended. Unripe bananas helps to reduce insulin sensitivity and insulin resistance. So this helps to prevent diabetes in future. So unripe bananas or raw bananas are also recommended. And one of the important health benefit of banana is banana helps to fight against depression. So nowadays we have seen people suffering from anxiety, depression, and other mental illnesses. So one such health benefit of banana is it contains an important essential amino acid called tryptophan, which when consumed get converted into serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone which is produced by our brain to elevate our mood. It is a neurotransmitter. So this amino acid is responsible for production of serotonin, and thereby elevating our mood, and thereby reducing the risk of developing depression. So if you find people around you who are depressed, you can advise them to have a banana in their diet, because it helps to fight against depression and other mental illness. Thank you.